Yo, I've bought a PSP that is like factory sealed, so it's brand new, but obviously, it's like what, like 15, 18 years old. It's been in the box, and I don't know who's had it before, but the first thing I love about this box is like how square it is. Like, it's literally like I just bought it from the shop. Um, and I bought it for 400 British pounds. So I bought a PSP, this particular PSP, like a PSP 1000, like the original that came out. I think it was like 2004, 2005, I can't remember, but like I bought that back in 2007 for 200, which adjusted for inflation is 330, and I'm saying I've spent 400. So it's like, okay, there's like an extra 70 for the privilege of like this is still brand new in the box. I know it's still 20 years old and it could be broke for all I know, but we're gonna have a look. The one I had came in like a white box, but I keep seeing boxes like this. I don't know, like where it's black. I don't know. The one I had, I do sort of have a picture of it with me and my friends, and like I see the box in the photo and me with the PSP in my hand. But yeah, either way, it's a PSP 1003, which means that it's a UK PSP 1000. Like the 1000 is the Japanese, and then like North American is like 1001, Australian, New Zealand 1002, and then 1003 is the UK one. So this is like one that I could have bought in like a shop here. Like I say, I don't know exactly when this was like made, but yeah, I'm gonna open it. Also, if like you're looking for a PSP that's like new, still in the box like this, like the PSP isn't region locked, and Japan for some reason still has like loads of PSPs that are like still in the boxes just like this, like with the box maybe just a bit battered. So if you want to get one that's, let's try and figure out how you open this. Oh. Yeah, if you want to get one that's new, I know again it could be like broke, like there's problems with the screen or the speakers or whatever. But like, if you want to take the gamble, it's worth doing, because the like I say, the PSP is not region locked, so it can play literally any. A Japanese one can play any games. So we've got a manual here, and all you need to do is just change the language to English in the settings as soon as you get it. I'm not going to open this stuff, by the way. I know that's like, a bit of a boner kill, but like, I want to kind of, unless I want to actually look at this stuff myself, I'm just going to keep it in like the plastic. I think it's just, yeah, like a coupon or something. I do have like other PSPs with like this stuff, but it's not like brand new, like untouched. It is such a shame though that you can't like just go buy one of these from the shop. Like, still, like, why can't I just buy one of these for like 300 or something? So that's the PSP there. And then we just got I think that is the battery, or a spare battery. And then that's just the charger. Yeah. Take that out. There was a demo disc. I'm guessing that doesn't come with, because there's just a manual and yeah, it's like manuals and stuff. Anyway, dun dun. Let me try and do this with one hand. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably not going to make any cuts because I can't really be bothered, but you know. So that's what it looks like in this like protective thing. They wrapped it like an eBay seller. And that was another reason why I wanted to get one like brand new, because this like circle thing on the back when it's like fresh looks well nice. Because you can't get one that doesn't have a scratch on this like metal circle thing. I wish I had two hands. But anyway, okay. So there you go, a PSP that, if you look at the bottom here, that focuses, probably not. But anyway, it's got like a label there. It says PSP 1003. Means it's like a UK one. And yeah, it's perfectly brand new. I mean, like, you see people on YouTube who give like PSP tutorials and stuff, and you know, they've all got ones that are either brand new, like they've managed to, like, it took me like a month of like searching on like eBay for like PSP 1000 unused, new, sealed, and I'll type in those three different things, and it wasn't until like the other day. Those holes are weird on the top. I swear that's not on my other ones, but yeah, like, so I wouldn't be surprised if like other people have like looked for new ones and stuff. Because, you know, I look at a lot of people who do like gaming, like tutorials for like handhelds and things, and they've all got like stuff that are like in perfect condition, and it's just like, well, why have you got stuff like that? And it's like, well, they probably do the same thing, you don't know, you know. But yeah, that's about it. There's not really anything, like I say, I haven't gone through like these instructions and things, but yeah, it was actually quite underwhelming. Like the DS, like, had like a spare stylus, a lanyard, and it had like these cards that came with it. Like the only other console over there is my, like, I've already done a video on that where it was like my like unopened original Nintendo DS. The only handheld to really give a shit about are like PSP and the original DS, and the SP for just playing Pokemon. But yeah, that's everything, guys. I mean, you can find like used PSPs that kind of look like this. Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't get any fresher than that. I mean, it looks like there's like it's just the light, but it looks like it was kind of like dirty on the analog stick, and I've already got like some fluff on the screen. But yeah, cheers for watching. I've got some YouTube poops if you want to watch. Let's show you the bottom of the box again. Contents. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, cheers, guys. See ya.